Hey guys, I told you I would make a little video here to show you what I wanted to do with the assignment, so here we go. Alright, and so you guys can see here that you have 5 problems. I'm actually going to do one of these as an example, so you really only have to do 4 problems. You're going to do problems 2, 3, 4, and 5. Alright, and so what you're going to need is you're going to need a notebook. This is my notebook that I have here. I know you don't have an engineering notebook. That's okay. Alright, but that's what I'm going to use. And so I'm just going to get a sheet of paper here so that I can then show my work. Alright, and so I'm doing problem number 1. So I'm going to put a 1 here. I'm going to write the problem down. 5x is greater than 30. Alright, so you can see I've done that here. It might be a little hard to see. There it is. Number 1, 5x is greater than 30. And so I'm going to solve this problem. I know, so since it's multiplication, I'm going to divide both sides by 5. So I divide both sides by 5. My 5's cancel out. So x is greater than 30 divided by 5 is 6. Okay, so you can see my work. I've shown it. All right, and some of you guys that have turned assignments before, you've done a great job of showing your work, something similar to this. I'm also going to box my answer. I always like to box my answers when I'm done so that I can show, boom, it's boxed. Okay, so now how do I put that into here? As you can see, all right, solve the following multi-step inequalities, type the solution in the yellow box with no spaces in a lowercase x. So here I am, I'm in this box. I'm going to type in x. I think I am anyway. X. There it is. X is greater than 6. Now I've done this correctly. The box should turn blue. And it did. Okay. If it's incorrect, it's going to stay yellow. So if I didn't follow the directions exactly, and I did x is greater than 6, and I put spaces, note that it is yellow because I didn't follow the directions exactly. There's no spaces. It's a lowercase x. So if I do this, it's still going to be yellow. Nope, it gave me a blue here. Okay, so I guess you can have an uppercase x. They're okay with that. But if I put -6 in as my answer, it's now yellow. If I said that the answer was 25, still yellow. So you have to have the correct answer in there in order to get solution. Again, no spaces. All right. Down here for 4 and 5, you're going to need to copy and paste the inequality sign because that sign is not on your keyboard, obviously. So you'll have to copy and paste the inequality sign for 4 and 5. But that is pretty much it. If you have questions, you can ask. But I hope that helps. All right, and so that is your assignment. Have a good afternoon.